Hey everybody, Dorian from AMS Performance. Today we're going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to install our Infiniti Alpha intakes. It's quick, easy, and yeah, come along for the ride. You want to take this panel off. This clip is known to be pretty stubborn and not really want to come up as easy. So what I usually do is try to get a finger back here and then lift from the front and the back. That will give us access to this 10 mil to take the intakes off. Lift up. This retaining clip or ring down here. Best thing that I've found helps is getting 2 flathead screwdrivers, putting one on one side, one on the other, and then twisting both until you hear a little click and lift up. Save the parts that we're gonna use on the new intakes. So it would be these rubber grommets. Just push the metal sleeve out, makes it a bit easier. And slide them out. MAFS tubes. It is just a Phillips. You will not be reusing these rings. So after you take the MAFS tubes out and you use the parts that you will be keeping for the new intakes, you can set these aside. Get this out, you're going to reuse this piece, put it in the hole. MAFS connector facing downwards. What you're going to do is take the pin nut on this side, give it a little squeeze first, grab a pair of pliers or something, and just make sure she is. The nut through there. side where the hole is. Snug, because you gotta put that over there. This will probably be down like this, so you can get to it from. There you have it. That's our installation of our Red Alpha intakes. It's quick, easy, can do it with basic tools at home. For more information on this product and other products to keep you 6 feet ahead of the competition, please visit amsperformance.com.